In this video, we will going to learn about the constructor. So what exactly the constructor is and how we can use it. In the previous example, you saw that we try to get the name at work because we set the name before getting it. But when we were getting a color, we did not define the color and it was giving a blank return until we set the color. So in order to predefine what we have to set when creating a class, we use the constructor. In order to create the constructor, we have a function and we call it double underscore construct, and it is exactly same as all the other functions, but the naming convention should always be like this: underscore underscore construct. So it will gonna call as soon as this class object is created. So in our case, we wanted to give as soon as the class create, we want to give the name and the color. Okay, so how do we do that? Instead of passing the set name, we assign two argument here, same for the orange. Now we can remove these, and inside our constructor we are receiving those argument: name, color. So what we were doing in these set name and set color function, we can do that directly into our constructor to make sure at the time when we are creating the object of any class, we pass these things, these argument, to set the property before we start using the class. Now we can get rid of these set functions, and if I save and go back and refresh, you see nothing changed because it is doing exactly what we were doing before, but this time we are parsing the argument while we are creating the object. Let's create another fruit, banana, new fruit, and we will gonna call it banana, and the color would be yellow. We have to copy this, paste it over again, banana, save it, come back and refresh, and there you go, banana color with yellow. So that's the purpose of constructor. In many cases, when you are doing a programming or any project, you come across in a situation where you have to predefine the arguments, the properties to be set before you use the class. So for that purpose, we use constructor. It is a very simple and easy way to call the constructor and to use it. You see, it also minimizes the line of code. Before we were using set functions and setting it over here. Now we are just passing these two arguments and using one constructor to define all the arguments and properties. So this is the constructor. Take care for now. Bye bye.